Yo, what's up? We out here, headed to work here. Excuse me, I'm walking up this hill. Making my way to the gig. It's gonna be another prosperous day in the neighborhood. That's right, very prosperous day. For those that know, I am Dr. Gabriel Hernandez. I am a chef at a hotel currently. And as you can see, this street is pretty much empty. This is a church that my great aunt used to go to. My mama used to go to when she was little. She said that's the church she used to escape to, and she didn't like her church. Her church was a Pentecostal, and they were real strict. She said they used to like coming over here because they have fun. See down there, I'm gonna do a whole video on that. I don't know if y'all can see what's going on down there, but that's some ancient history down there, and I'm gonna share that with everybody another day. So stay tuned. Definitely has I'm gonna tear a page out the book of history on slavery. We're gonna talk about this street, some of the things that my mama told me about this road. And there was buildings on either side of this road, actually clubs, juke joints. That's where they used to party. And that's City Hall right there. Those two buildings actually. But yeah, I'm out here, family. About to go to work. I just wanted to upload something. I actually been working a lot of doubles, so no excuses. But I've been falling asleep once I get home, meaning to shoot something and upload something. But I figured if I'm waiting until I get home, I'm gonna end up falling asleep again. So might as well get it done on the way to work. And I'll try to record a little bit more maybe while I'm in here tonight. Give y'all a up close personal of what's going on. You know, maybe we'll cook a dish or something together. Ain't nothing here difficult. It's a hotel, but it's all simple stuff. Super simple stuff. So just know you will not be wowed by what we're doing. It's just basic bar food. We're supposed to be doing a Italian menu pretty soon, but I'm about to walk in. I'll check y'all shortly. Peace.